Good morning. How are you? It's so good to see you. Yes, it is. This is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Okay, do you know what day it is today? Today is Friday. That's right. And what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Thursday. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Saturday. Yay! Okay, how many letters are in the alphabet? Do you know? That's right, 26. And how many groups are they divided into, the letters in the alphabet? 2. That's right. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when you put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. Super good. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. That's right. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. Did you dance with me? A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. Super. And how many sounds do they have? At least 2. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. That's right. And when it's the short sound, we mark it with the happy face. That's right. Okay, so let's start. We're going to close our eyes, close our eyes, close our eyes. Are you ready? Are you closing your eyes? Don't look, don't look, look. Don't look. Open your eyes. Okay, so we're going to look at the vowels first. Are you ready to say them with me? Here we go. The name of this letter is A. It makes a sound A, as in apple. A says. The name of this letter is E. It makes a sound E, as in elephant. What does the elephant say? E says. Super. The name of this letter is I. It makes a sound I, as in inchworm. I says. The name of this letter is O. It makes the sound aw, as in ostrich. O says. Good. The name of this letter is U. It makes the sound ah, as in umbrella. U says. You did all the vowels. Super. The 5 vowels. Now let's look at the consonants. Are you ready? Here we go. The name of this letter is B. It makes the sound B, as in bell. Ding, 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 ding. B says. Good job. The name of this letter is C. It makes the sound K, as in cat. C says. Good job. The name of this letter is D. It makes the sound D, as in dog. D says. Good job. The name of this letter, that's our new letter, is G. It makes the sound G, as in go. G says G, G, G. Super. The name of this letter is H. It makes the sound H, as in horse. H says. What does the horse say? Neigh. The name of this letter is L. It makes a sound L, as in lamp. L says. Good. The name of this letter is M. It makes a sound as in milk. M says. Super. The name of this letter is N. It makes a sound as in nest. N says. Good job. The name of this letter is S. It makes a sound S, as in sun. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. What sound does it make? Super. The name of this letter is T. It makes a sound T, as in table. T says super duper. Okay, you guys are amazing. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. It's our new blend. Who's that? It's Gary Goat. Say hi, Gary Goat. Hi. Are you ready to read the blend with me? Okay, when we put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. Here we go. Ga, 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 ga. Ga, 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 ga. Super, you guys did it with me. Say bye, Gary Goat. Bye. See you later. Okay, now remember, there's some words that don't go with the rules. They're called sight words, and we're learning one of them right now. Are you ready? Can you say it with me? What does it say? The. This is the capital one with the capital, and this is with the lowercase, but they're the same word. The. You did it! Superty duperty. Okay, now stop. Look, listen. You're gonna read some words with me, and every time we read a word, we're gonna jump. Okay? So sit down, sit down, sit down. Can you read this word? Can. Super. Next word. Sit down, sit down, sit down. What does this word say? Dog. That's right. Jump. Sit down, sit down, sit down. What does this word say? Dab. That's right. Jump. Sit down, sit down, sit down. What does this word say? Bob. You got it. Jump. Sit down, sit down, sit down. What does this word say? Bug. You got it. Jump up. Super. Here's another word. What does it say? Bed. Super. Jump up. Now sit down, sit down, sit down. Next word. What does it say? Bus. You got it. Up you go. Jumping. Sit down, sit down, sit down. What does this word say? At. You got it. Jump up. Sit down, sit down, sit down. What does this word say? Bell. Ding, 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 ding. Remember, if there's two L's, we only pronounce one. Bell. Jump up. You got it. Ding, 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 ding. Here's another one. What does it say? Did. You got it. Jump up. Super. Sit down, sit down, sit down. What does this word say? Box. Super. Jump up. Super good. Sit down, sit down, sit down. What does this word say? What does it say? Bib. Bib. You got it. Jump up. What does this word say? Can. You got it. Jump up. Oh, super. We did them all. You guys are amazing. I'm so proud of you. Okay, so that's our letters and sounds class for today. It was a little review and we saw some new words. You're learning to read and you're opening up your imagination, and soon you'll be reading books in English. Can you believe it? You guys are amazing. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye. See you.